Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. Yet again, I got another ThreadBeast referral box. I think this is the fourth one and they still owe me 3 more. I saw a comment earlier today on my latest video of my baller unboxing that someone else now signed up. I haven't gotten the email yet, but their website's kind of slow when it kind of updates. And I won't know for sure if the steps were followed correctly in order for me to actually get a bonus box. And you get $50 towards yours, which is awesome. So let's see what this month, or well, not month, but what this referral box has. The last one was really awesome. Normally, from my understanding, it's supposed to only be like a value of $50, but the last one had like a backpack and a ton of other stuff. You can go check that other unboxing out. But we got some socks, because I love socks. And these are by Classic Crew Richer Poorer. Then we got a nice, interesting t-shirt. That's definitely colorful, not necessarily my style though. Oh, wifey, not really my style, huh?
What colorful? It's not even colorful.
It's got the like the blue down with the collar around it.
Design.
But this is by Tabik. So I got Tabik the last time. ThreadBeast sticker as always. Actually 2 ThreadBeast stickers as always. My garage is gonna have tons of those. And then this is what I was talking about being colorful. You know what this reminds me of? A candy striper. This reminds me of like a candy striper, or even better yet, you know what this matches perfectly with? I'm gonna take you over here because this is gonna be funny. 1 second. All right. So kind of matches this. That's really bright. The wife is like laughing, but look at the color. Like, wow. You can hear her laughing. But anyways, check out my other unboxings, my other videos, whatever YouTube recommends over here. And then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And there's a discount code in the video description. If you follow the steps, you get $50 towards your first box, and I'll get $50. But you gotta follow the steps. So thank you. Bye.